Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make $2,000 commissions in affiliate marketing as a beginner. On my screen right here are people who are consistently making $2,000 commissions and other types of commissions over and over again using this one simple system and with one company. Okay, so let me show you some results people are getting with this company and with this system. The first one here, Beaky, he's made $2,350 in commissions, and these commissions are paid directly to you. There's no waiting for these commissions. You don't have to wait 30 days or 45 days or even 2 weeks. You get the commissions instantly as soon as someone pays for the product. Right here, you've got Miles here. He made a $2,350 commission. You get Simeon. He made a total of $29,745 so far with this company, and he's showing a commission where he sold a $2,500 package and received a $2,350 commission. Nafu here, he made a $500 commission. Nate made a $1,000 commission. And Rich, he made $300. Okay. $998, $300, $300, $300. Over and over again. Hashim made $2,000 commissions. Okay. And now Rich, he made $2,350 commissions with this one particular company. Tim made $500, and I'll show probably just one more. Here's another $500 commission for Tim. And again, he sold a $2,500 package, so he made at least $2,000 on that. Okay, and let's see, one more. Garrett here, he made a $2,000 commission. So how are these people making $2,000 commissions, $500 commissions, and some other type of commissions in this Facebook group that I'm showing you right now? Well, they're using a sales funnel system that promotes multiple streams of income, but the majority of commissions that you just saw came from one company, and that company is called E1ULife. Okay, right here on my screen is the sales page for E1ULife. Sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner, and they pay out starting their commission rates at 80% and more. Okay, so you can earn as much as 94% commissions. So what is E1ULife? E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. They'll create a personal website for yourself or for your business, sales pages, email templates, sales funnels, every tool you need to establish an online presence for your business or organization. So they have an affiliate marketing program. And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically where you promote a company's products and services, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase of that product or service, you earn a commission. And some of the biggest companies out there have affiliate programs. There are tens of thousands of companies that have affiliate programs. So let's compare two of the biggest ones with E1ULife. You've got Walmart, where you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products, and you have Amazon, and they call their affiliates Amazon Associates. You can earn up to 20%, but usually it's around 3-4%. And then you have E1ULife, where the members of E1ULife can earn starting at 80% commissions and going as high as 94% commissions. Okay, so let me show you what the commission structure looks like for E1ULife. For Elevation Basic, which is the lowest package, is $25 commission on that particular package. And I'll show you exactly what you get with each one of these packages in a moment. Elevation Elite is $100 commission. Vertex, if you sell a Vertex package, you get $250 commission. Vertex Elite is you get a $500 commission. Vertex Pro is $1,000 commission, and Vertex Live is a $2,000 commission. And that is how people are earning $2,000 over and over again, because they're selling a lot of these Vertex Live product packages. And I'll show you that right here in a moment. Okay, let me turn my phone down. All right, so let me go down here. So what you're purchasing is built for you websites, landing pages, opt-in pages, multi-page funnels, email templates that are customized to brand you or to brand your business. It helps you stand out in your potential customers' inbox, so that you don't get lost in the flood of emails that they're receiving on a daily basis. You can get your own custom logo designed by the E1ULife team, again, to help to either brand you or to brand your business. Okay, social media pack. You get a custom social media pack, custom images that you can use on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And they have a 24/7 customer support team. So if you need any help, just send a message to any one of their customer service representatives who are ready and happy to help you. Okay, so that's what you're getting. Now, there's 6 different web packages that you can choose from to purchase. And of course, the best value is the Vertex Live for $2,500. These are all one-time payments. There are no monthly payments with these packages, okay? So with the Vertex Live for $2,500, what you're getting are customized opt-in pages, social media pack, email templates, your own custom logo, your own custom multi-page funnel, and your own built-for-you website. That's what you get. Now, if you do a search on Google for how much just getting your own built-for-you website designed, it can cost between $5,000 and $10,000. Okay, and that's just for the website. So you're getting a great bargain here by getting the built-for-you website, multi-page funnels, and all this other stuff customized, professionally designed by experienced web developers and, graphic designers for only $2,500 one-time purchase. Okay, now these other packages, they come with some of these customized work, but not all of them. For example, Vertex Pro is $1,100. You get everything except for the built-for-you website. Vertex Elite is $550. You get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the built-for-you website. Vertex is $275, and this you're going to get the custom opt-in pages, social media pack, and the custom email templates. Elevation Elite is $110. You get the opt-in pages and the social media pack. And with Elevation Basic, it's only $30, and you get your own custom opt-in pages. Okay, so you decide which product level you want to purchase. It's all based on what your budget is and what are your business needs. Okay, again, the best value is Vertex Live for $2,500, and you get everything included. Not only that, it also makes you eligible to receive commissions at the lower product levels. Okay, so that's why it's so important to come in at the highest level you can, which is the $2,500 Vertex Live level. You get everything included, and you're eligible for all of the commissions. Okay, now if you come in at one of the lower product package levels, you're only eligible to receive commissions up to the level that you purchased. So if you came in at Vertex Elite, you're only eligible to receive commissions at Elevation Basic, Elevation Elite, Vertex, and Vertex Elite. If you bring in a customer who purchases Vertex Live or Vertex Pro and you're at Vertex Elite, you did not receive that commission. Now, there is something new that was instituted a few weeks ago called E1U Marketing Pro. And in that E1U Marketing Pro, there is a bridge license, a reseller bridge license. And if you have that bridge license, then you'll be able to earn 50% commissions on the products that you don't own. Okay, so again, using the same example, if you're coming in at Vertex Elite, if you bring in a customer who purchases Vertex Live, you have that reseller bridge license through the E1U Marketing Pro, then you're going to receive a 50% commission, which is $1,000. The other half of that commission, the other $1,000, will go to either your sponsor or whoever the next person is who's qualified at this level of Vertex Live. Okay, so it's a win-win situation for everyone. E1ULife recently put this in place because they want everyone to earn, because it's not fair that you go out there and promote E1ULife in the different web packages and you bring somebody in at a higher level than you and you don't receive the commission. So they're giving you a way to earn 50% commissions. You earn enough of those commissions and then you'll be able to upgrade to Vertex Live and get the full commission, which is $2,000. Okay, now I don't want to get too involved in the explanation of that. I have other videos on my channel that go into more detail about that. You can check them out. Subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button. And I have a playlist for E1ULife. You can check out those more detailed videos there. And if you like the content so far in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up or a like on this video. Okay. Now, the people in this Facebook group who are making these $2,000 commissions over and over again, how are they doing this? Okay, some of these people are experienced marketers, so they already have a following, so they're able to make those type of commissions. However, new people are making these type of commissions as well. Now, I'm not saying that you get involved, you're going to start making $2,000 commissions. Okay, I can't say that because I don't know what kind of work you're going to put into your business, and these results are not typical. Okay, but they are using a sales funnel system that does the selling and telling for them in order to make these commissions. And that sales funnel system is called Profits Passport 2.0. Okay, there was a Profits Passport that came out a couple of years ago and it was very successful. Now there's a 2.0 version, and E1ULife is one of the income streams. In fact, it's income stream number 1 inside of Profits Passport. Okay, so, and there are other income streams in there, and you did see some commissions from those other income streams, but truth be told, the majority of commissions that you saw came from income stream number 1. Okay, and there are many people who have joined Profits Passport to promote E1ULife for them, and that's it. That's the only income stream they're in. I'm one of those people. I'm not in these other income streams. I use Profits Passport to promote E1ULife. Okay, and the reason I do that, and the reason why a lot of other people are doing this, is because the creator of Profits Passport, this guy right here that you see on the screen, David Deacle, he is very, very successful in doing webinars and doing sales pages and creating sales funnels. And he's very, very good at doing the selling and telling of these different income streams for you. Okay. And he also does the follow-up. Once somebody, creates a free account, whatever, he does automatic email follow-ups daily to your leads on your behalf. So, a few days later, they may decide, okay, I'm going to join E1ULife. They go in here and they click on activate this income stream, create an account, and you're the referrer, and they purchase a product package and you receive a commission instantly. Okay, so that's why people use Profits Passport, because David is just really good at making these type of sales funnels. He's really good at promoting especially the first income stream, which is E1ULife, and most of the testimonials that you see in his webinar are from E1ULife. Okay, and you can get to that webinar, and the webinar is about an hour and a half, so make sure you set aside some time to watch it. You can get to that webinar by clicking the very first link below this video in the description area. You just put in your email address and you'll go to the webinar. Okay, and after the webinar, you can create a free account inside of Profits Passport and your dashboard will look like this. Okay, he does offer bonuses for people who get started right away and come in at that Vertex Live level that I showed you right here. So you definitely want to be able to take advantage of that. If you want to get into these other income streams, you have the money for that, go ahead and do that. Okay, it's just me personally, I'm focused on promoting E1ULife, so that's why I use it. But these other income streams are good too. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to cut it off right here. But if you want to get started, watch this webinar David did that explains exactly how his sales funnel system works, and seeing all the testimonials of people who are making these $2,000 commissions over and over again, and also especially the bonuses that he has available for people who get started right away. Go ahead, click the very first link below this video to watch that webinar and to watch about those bonuses and everything. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make $2,000 commissions in affiliate marketing as a beginner. Talk to you soon.